and today I'm going to show you guys my makeup routine for school. So when I'm going to school, this is how I do my makeup. So the first thing I do is prime my face using the Maybelline Baby Skin Instant Pore Eraser. So I just rub this everywhere, but I mostly focus on areas that my pores look really big. The next thing I do is use the Revlon Photo Ready Color Correcting Pen, and I just apply this to any areas that are red or any blemishes or pimples or anything that I want to cover up. So the next thing I do is I fill in my eyebrows using the CoverGirl Ultra Fine Brow Pencil, and I use this in a soft blonde color. Over my time since I started wearing makeup, I always struggled finding a product for my eyebrows that looked good to me, seeing as I have blonde hair, so my eyebrows are very light. And so far this has been my favorite, and ever since I started using it, I've stuck with it because it comes off very natural looking and it doesn't give off very harsh lines, especially with the brush. I always blend it in very good so that it comes off looking natural. So far, my favorite technique for filling in my eyebrows is just stroking the hairs that are there and not trying to make a false shape that I don't have, just using my eyebrows that I already have. The next thing I do is use the Maybelline New York concealer, and I apply this underneath my eyes and underneath my eyebrows. The next thing I do is take my angled brow and spoolie brush and I just highlight my brows. And I blend in all the concealer. I like this because it allows me to see the shape of my brows better. Then I use a flat top concealer brush to blend this in, not only underneath my eyebrows but also underneath my eyes. I always spend a good amount of time making sure I blend this in really good into my skin. So far, this has been my favorite concealer, also because it blends really good and it matches my skin well, and I had trouble finding a color that matched my skin. The next thing I do is I take the Maybelline BB cream, and this one is the Beauty Balm Skin Perfector, and I basically just apply this with a Q-tip over the green areas. The reason I use this is because it's always been hard for me to just use regular concealer in areas that I want to cover up. So the BB cream works best because it's more liquidated. The next thing I do is I curl my eyelashes, and I always spend a lot of time on this because for some reason I like the look of my eyelashes looking really long and curled, so I always just spend a lot of time doing this. I do it over and over again, and I just make sure I push the eyelash curler back and I keep pressing it over and over again to make them more curled. The next thing I do is I use the Total Tease mascara by CoverGirl, and I use this in the waterproof version. I only use waterproof mascara because regular mascara that is washable always makes my eyelashes fall flat, and as I said, I like my eyelashes to look really long and curled. So I just apply this all over my eyelashes. This is only my first coat, and I just get this everywhere. I like this mascara because it's very thin and it doesn't come off clumpy or very dark. It just kind of shows my eyelashes good. And always before applying mascara, I just keep curling because I just want to make sure that it's pretty. This is actually my favorite part of doing my makeup. I love doing mascara. It's so fun for me. I always wear mascara. I like eyelashes. They're just fun. So now I just take a Q-tip and I just get rid of any places where I messed up so I don't have black smudges on my face. And I just take a spoolie and I just kind of go through on my eyelashes to make sure they're straight and not all put together or anything. Then I use the Lash Sensation by Maybelline, and I also use this in the waterproof version. This is my favorite mascara ever. I've tried so many different mascaras, and this is my favorite one because it just makes my eyelashes look so much longer than they are for some reason. I don't know if they really are looking longer, but to me they do. So this is why I love this, and I just apply this just over the mascara that I just put on. But with this one, I always make sure to apply it to the back of my lashes, so this makes them look a lot longer. This is one of my favorite tips for applying mascara. It just highlights the whole thing instead of just the front, if you get what I'm saying. And bottom eyelashes, I always make sure to go very lightly on because I feel like when I put on a lot, I just put that on very, very lightly. Now, the thing that you guys have all been waiting for me to do is get rid of the green stuff on my eyes. So I'm basically just blending this in using the flat top concealer brush, and then later on using the buffing foundation brush, which is the big fat one that I'm using right now. The next thing I do is I apply my favorite highlighter, which is by e.l.f., and this is literally only like $3, and I love it so much. I just love it, and I'm applying this using a highlighting fan brush, which is a new thing that I tried, and I like this so much better than any other brand or flat highlighter. Now the last thing I'm doing is I'm just applying regular Vaseline onto my face. Alright guys, so that was my everyday makeup routine. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, please press that like button, join our family, and I hope you guys all have a blessed day.